What's up, Fast Cap? So we're at the Magdor Mag Strip station, and this is our Mag Strip jig. It's great and it works good, but we need to make a couple improvements. So right now it's kind of a struggle to first off grab it because it's so far down low, and so when you're putting it in there too, it's a lot of work and you have to go all the way down. And so we're going to come up with a couple improvements to make it easier. And also sometimes you're having to push the magnets down because they're not going down, so we're gonna see if we can make that better. What's up, Bass Cap? So we came up with a couple improvements for this jig. Alisha came up with the idea of adding a magnet actually inside and below the wood, and so what we did was we drilled out a spot where a magnet could go, and then we added a 1-inch cap to go over top of it so that these magnets could slide over it. And so now, before you actually had to have the magnet stepped up pretty high, this one, it shows you it's just got a little bit, and actually in here it's actually worked down to about right here. And so I'll just show you how it works. And so we also added a block of wood on the back so that each time you don't have to have that guy go all the way down to the ground. And so you can see it's a lot shorter of a motion, and yeah, it just clicks right in each time, and you don't have to worry about your magnets. And yeah, just make sure for each time you're sticking magnets in it. But yeah, that's my improvement.